guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I installed a set of replica ZR1 wheels. I got them through Summit Racing and they're made by OE wheels. Anyways, one thing I noticed since putting them on is they show off a lot more of the brake than the old 10 spokes did. And the brakes on this don't look the greatest. Okay, so here's the problem. You can see the rust on the factory brakes. Okay, so here's what we got. We got it through Summit Racing. And these are the PowerStop, I think it's Z26. I got the brake pads for the front and rear and new rotors for the front and rear. And the rotors are zinc plated, so they're not supposed to rust. And they're drilled and slotted, so whether the brakes are better or not, I don't know. The brakes are fine on the Camaro for the driving I do. Anyways, I'm not going to bore you with the whole changing the brakes out. I got videos up on there. I'll put a link at the end of this video on how to change the brakes. Okay, so here's the before. Okay, so here's the after. Guys, so that's it. Fairly easy job actually, and breaking them in is pretty simple. It's a big improvement on the looks. The other ones were getting quite a bit of rust on them, and hopefully these ones will stay rust free. And it's probably all in my head, but the brakes actually do feel a lot stronger than what they were before. But not only that, even the brake pedal feels stiffer than it was, which makes no sense. Like I said, it might just be in my head, I don't know. The only regret I have is not painting the calipers, but that'd be a good winter project. I could do that this winter. You can buy a powder coat machine there fairly cheap now. The only issue is I don't know what color I'd want to go. I don't know if I'd want to go white, orange, or just leave them silver. I'm not sure. But like I said, we'll say that for the winter. Anyway, guys, hope this video helps somebody out who's wondering if these brakes are any good or not. Like the only issue is I couldn't tell you what the long term is going to be, but the review seemed to be pretty good. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.